Let's chat about something super important today. Positive self-talk and how it can seriously boost your confidence. So number one is the impact of words. The first point that we need to talk about and how positive self-talk increases our confidence is how the words we say to ourselves really matter. When you practice positive self-talk, you are literally rewiring your brain. Instead of saying things like, I can't do this, or I'm not good enough, try flipping it to, I've got this, or I am more than capable. It sounds simple, but over time, this can totally change how you view yourself and the world around you. On a side note, I am statements that you're either saying to yourself or out loud, especially if they're negative. For instance, you may say, I am a klutz, or I am poor. When you say I am statements to yourself or out loud, your brain essentially takes on that identity and you become more of what you just spoke. Instead, reword it in a more detached way, so to speak. For example, instead of saying I am a klutz, you can say, well, looks like I lost my footing just now. Or instead of saying I am poor, you can say I have experienced what it's like to feel poor. That way your brain does not identify what you are saying as anything less than positive. Number two is confidence through body language. Another point we need to talk about when talking about positive self-talk and how it increases our confidence is the connection between positive self-talk and how it affects our body language. When you're telling yourself good things, it naturally shows up in how you carry yourself. Stand tall, keep your head up and smile. This isn't just about looking confident, it's about feeling it too. When you adopt confident body language, it reinforces that positive mindset. Just by simply standing as you would if you were confident about something, you generate the feeling of confidence just by changing your body language. Right now, try for me to stand or sit like you're feeling depressed. Okay, chances are you've made yourself smaller with your head and shoulders, probably even your upper body drooping. All right, try this. Stand or sit tall, chest out, head up high, and take up space. I'm talking about arms up like you experienced a victory or arms on your hips. Let me guess, you feel confident, right? So number three is assertiveness and setting boundaries. The last point we need to talk about and how positive self-talk increases our confidence is how positive self-talk helps you be more assertive. When you're in a good headspace, it's easier to set boundaries and speak up for yourself. Instead of hesitating, you'll find yourself saying what you need or want without second guessing. That assertiveness not only boosts your confidence, but also shows others that you respect yourself, which encourages them to do the same. On a side note, if you want to speak with more confidence and assertiveness, end your statements as a command. For instance, listen to how this sounds. I need you to not speak to me that way. Or, I need you to not speak to me that way. Or, I need you to not speak to me that way. Hear the difference? So today, start by replacing those negative thoughts with some positive affirmations. Drop a comment with one positive thing that you will tell yourself today, and I will see you in the next video.